Hi, today I'm for the Realme C55 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first open the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. Then go to the manage accounts of this device. If you want to log out from Gmail account in Gmail app, we should first log out from Google account on this device. So we should click to manage accounts on this device, tap to your account, click on the right upper corner to this readouts and tap remove account. Then just confirm your action, and in Google account settings we just successfully log out from the Gmail account. So let's go back to the application. And we can see here in the app that we just also successfully log out from Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.